Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on the Skype app. So in order to get dark mode on the Skype app without putting your entire phone into dark mode, literally all you need to do is open the Skype app just like this, and then you want to go to the top left corner of your screen at your profile picture. Once you've done that, you want to go under manage and you'll find settings right here, and then you simply need to click on appearance. And right here you will literally just see modes, and you can either click on use system settings, meaning that if you put your entire phone in dark mode, Skype will also go in dark mode and vice versa. Or you can simply put it in dark mode by clicking on it and then clicking on apply, and then basically your dark mode will be enabled. And to get it back, all you need to do is click on light, and then your phone will be, or your Skype app will be in light mode. So that's how you can enable dark mode on the Skype app. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.